All right, so I have reached the cable 6 front C6F cable sequence on my Jennika project here, and I'm ready to give you a quick peek at exactly how to do the cable 6 front. Now, as I mentioned before, the cable 6 front is actually easier than the cable 6 back, so you've already done the hard part, and it starts out exactly the same as the cable 6 back. So we're skipping stitches number 1, 2, and 3, and we're doing front post triple crochet around stitches number 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. When you've got those front post triple crochet stitches around numbers 4, 5, and 6 done, you're ready to go ahead and front post triple crochet numbers 1, 2, and 3, starting with 1, moving to 2, moving to 3. But this time, instead of inserting your hook from the back, you're going to move your hook around the front, which makes it quite a bit easier to see. So I'm just going to show you how we do that. Go ahead and do the 2 yarn over in preparation to do the front post triple crochet on stitch number 1. So I'm going to come over and find stitch number 1. I'm going to insert for the front post, and then I'm going to complete the triple crochet. And then I'm going to do my 2 yarn overs to front post triple crochet stitch number 2. And the same for stitch number 3. At this point, you can see I've now got numbers 1, 2, and 3 moving in front of numbers 4, 5, and 6. And I will give you a quick look at how to work those on the other side. All right, so I'm now on the back side of my project, and the next instruction is to go ahead and back post double crochet each of the next 6 stitches. So I'm here on the opposite side of a cable. We just did the cable 6 front on the other side. You can see I've got my crisscrossing stitches, and now I'm ready to go ahead and do my back posts. Now the trick to cabling is that you work your posts in the order of the top of the stitch. So the way that the stitch is leaning, wherever the top is the way that you want to work it. So I can see these stitches are leaning to the left and their tops are over here. So I want to work those stitches last, and I want to work the stitches in front with their tops over on the right hand side first. So I want to work the one closest to the right all the way over here first with a back post double crochet. So for the back post double crochet, I've done my yarn over and I'm inserting from the back to the front so that that post is behind my hook. And then I'm pulling up, loop, and then I'm pulling, or I'm yarn overing, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And then I'm going to do that for the next stitch as well. You just work them in the order you come to them, but you want to be working them in the order of the top, not of the bottom, or you'll end up skewing the cable. So those are my first 3 that were leaning across the front. Now I can see my back 3 are here, 1, 2, 3, and I'm ready to go ahead and back post those ones. When that is complete, the back of your project will look something like this. It's a little bit of mess, but when you turn your project over, it starts to look like a nice tidy cable.